more cones stuck underneath. They keep, oh my God. Careful, 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 careful. Oh my God.
Are they drunk?
The cone's just flying out from underneath
Bro,
the thing.
what the fuck is wrong with them?
Dude. Holy shit. Stay way back. Somebody's gonna call in about them or something.
100%, they're drunk or something. Look
Dude,
at they're going
another
off
cone
the road.
stuck there. Oh my God. Dude. What? Are they gonna hit more right now?
What the fuck, dude?
Dude. Stay way the fuck. Yeah, they're like, don't go beside them, dude. Don't go beside them.
No!
Don't! No! No, 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 no. No, we're staying way the fuck back here. Do you want to, should we stay in the right lane or this
No,
side?
I'm staying right here behind him so I can see what the fuck's flying at us.
Oh my God. No, not beside the big rig. No, no.
Oh, this is gonna end bad.
Dude.
No!
Oh my God.
No!
Oh! No! Oh my God!
Shut the fuck up!
No! This guy's like, what the fuck? Oh my God. I've got all this on video.
Good.
Dude.
Oh my
Dude!
God! He's gonna hit that
He's
car,
gonna hit
dude.
somebody. Stay the fuck. Oh my God!
It's gonna flip.
Is it?
Bro, it's gonna
They need to
flip.
put, what are they doing?
Oh my God.
Are they okay?
No.
Stay the fuck, that person, stay back. Yo. I'm just gonna keep recording.
100%. It's gonna flip at some point. Look at
Oh my God,
there
they're
they go,
hitting
there
the
they
wall.
go. Oh my God.
Dude.
Look it. They hit the wall. They're hitting the wall. They're hitting the wall.
Oh no, there's another big truck up there. What are they doing?
Bro.
Do they have someone like kidnapped or something? Oh my
Maybe.
God. Oh my God.
Fuck, dude.
Oh.
I'm not passing them.
No, we're not. We're not passing them at all.
Just hold the fuck on.
Oh
Wow.
my God. What the fuck are they doing? After that first thing, I would have been fucking freaking out and I would have just pulled over.
100%. They probably hit that car back there and now they're taking off. You know what I mean? They're gonna catch on fire.
Oh my God. Oh my, I'm going up these hills. We gotta be really careful.
Oh, trust me.
I know, you got it. Yeah, stay back and then,
Oh,
yeah.
no, this is gonna be bad.
No, not this corner.
No!
Shit.
Oh my God.
What is he
Oh my
doing? Oh my God.
Bro!
What? Is he hitting him?
Yep.
Did he hit him?
Yep.
Yeah, he's honking, yeah. Get off the fucking road.
He just hit him.
Stay way away. I know you know, but I'm just... Oh, fuck. Oh, shit. Oh, my God.
Oh my
Oh, my God.
Oh my God.
What the fuck? Are they okay? Someone call somebody. Their thing's open? I know, I can't call the cops.
I ain't doing it.
Don't do it! No! No! There's a dog in the car! No! Stop! Stay away from them! Don't pat, there's a dog in the car. Yo, fall back. What are they doing? Someone else will call. We don't need to call.
We're not calling.
I'm so glad that we started honking pink queue because there's a dog in the back of the car. Oh fuck! Oh fuck!
Bro!
Oh my God! Don't pass! I'm scared. No, they're getting back on the road. No! Go! Oh my God!
Are they okay?
Are they having a medical emergency?
Dude, something's going on. They need help.
What the fuck?
Keep filming.
Okay. Dude, that shit's gonna catch on fire. Go, go. It's on fire!